Let's talk about citations. You're likely to hear about citations when your professor asks you to cite your sources when writing research papers or assignments. So, what is a citation? A citation identifies a book, article, or really any kind of resource by listing basic pieces of information about it. It's important to cite any sources you use while completing your assignments to give credit to whose work you're using to support your claims, so that your reader can find the resource later if they want to, and it will help you avoid plagiarizing the work of others. The tricky thing about citations is that there are multiple ways to format them. Citation styles are created for specific disciplines, and each style tells you how to format your citation. You can think of it like each citation style has its own formula you need to use to put the pieces of information about your resource in the right order. Most of the time, your professor will tell you what citation style to use. Common ones include Modern Language Association or MLA, American Psychological Association or APA, and Chicago style. Remember, one of the goals of citing is to give enough information so that your reader could find that exact resource you used. Most citation styles require the following pieces of information about a resource: author, title of the resource, the date of publication, place of publication, publisher, volume or issue number, pages, and then the URL or the DOI or Digital Object Identifier if it's an online resource. You might wonder where you can find this information about a resource. Some seem obvious, like title, but some are a bit harder to find if you're not sure where to look. I'll show you an example of where to find citation information for an article, which is a common resource used by college students. The first way you might see information about an article is right on the full text of an article, and this is going to look a little bit different depending on the publisher. Here I have the title, author, journal information, and DOI. Another place you might find this information is at the bottom of the page. If the information is not on the journal article page, you can click on Detailed Record to get that information. If you are trying to find information about a resource for citation purposes and need help, just contact the library and we'll be happy to assist you.